Gemini Live Not Working. Showing this error, something went wrong. Try going live again. Error problem. In this tutorial, I'll explain to you why is this happening and how to fix it. So let's see the step. Viewers, this problem can be caused by two reasons. First, it can be caused by server down or app glitch. Secondly, it can be due to network issue. Now I'll show you how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, check your internet connection and make sure your internet connection is working properly. And then go to Play Store, click on Search app, search for Gemini, update your Gemini apps in latest version. After completing update process, now restart your phone. After restart your device, now go to Gemini apps and see Gemini Live is working now.